Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeLonghi portable air conditioner suddenly starts flashing an LT error and cooling stops working the way it normally should, it can absolutely feel frustrating, especially when the room still feels warm. Sometimes the display begins flashing unexpectedly, while other times the unit seems to pause operation completely after showing the message. A problem like this can happen when the DeLonghi portable air conditioner becomes too cold internally, airflow changes unexpectedly, or the system temporarily pauses to protect itself. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many LT error situations can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a DeLonghi portable air conditioner flashing LT error. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the DeLonghi portable air conditioner if the LT error keeps flashing. Step 2. Check airflow around the DeLonghi portable air conditioner and remove anything blocking vents. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the DeLonghi portable air conditioner if airflow feels restricted. Step 4. Disconnect power from the DeLonghi portable air conditioner briefly to refresh the system. Step 5. Restart the DeLonghi portable air conditioner and adjust cooling settings carefully. Step 6. Test the DeLonghi portable air conditioner again and confirm the LT error disappears normally.